Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Popdog token. Now the Popcat token on the Solana blockchain was super popular. Now we have the Popdog token doing very well. This token's trending number 5 on DEX Screener. They have a huge 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the information on the Popdog token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token here on Bird Eye, SolScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. They have a Telegram that you could follow at Popdog Sol CTO, and CTO stands for Community Takeover. So I'm assuming there was a community takeover on this token. Even so, it's still doing amazing, this token here. They have 1,219 subscribers on that Telegram, and you can preview the channel before joining. As usual, I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project here. Now, the Twitter and the Telegram is going to be a great place to see new partnerships, new listing announcements, of course, memes, just all sorts of new things, you know, maybe if they do AMAs or Twitter Spaces or things like that. But one thing also, it has, if you follow this Twitter at Popdog Sol CTO, you'll see that they have the Telegram right there. They also have their web page right there, popdog.online. And they have the contract address right there. So basically all the links you need are going to be on this Twitter right here. And 112 tweets so far. They just joined in July 2024. That's how brand new this project is. 1,600 Twitter followers. And then, of course, if you scroll through, tons of memes. Tons and tons of memes. So how you get this token, this is on the Solana blockchain. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, a Solflare wallet, a Phantom wallet. Any of these wallets you would fund with Sol, and you could fund it from a central exchange. There's a list of them in the description box down there. So you fund your wallet with Sol. Then you would go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Popdog token using the contract address that you could find on that Twitter right there, or you could also find it on their webpage. You can find it all over SolScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but I don't think there is, but we'll try to find that in a second here. This token's actually trending number 1 right now on DEX Tools, doing very well here. A lot of very popular tokens. There's a MEXC token trending number 4. Rocky token. I'm going to upload videos on MEXC and Rocky today. And besides that, this token has a market cap of $1.51 million. They have $180,470 in liquidity in Raydium. Most likely this token is going to be available also on Jupiter, maybe later on Orca, Meteora, all sorts of other DEXs, and maybe some central exchanges in the future. This is a very brand new token, just came out 2 hours ago on Raydium, it says, according to DEX Screener. Now, like I said, very popular project today. Not only do they have a huge $1.5 million market cap, but they have an $8.9 million 24-hour trading volume. So very popular project. $173,000 it says in liquidity in Raydium, and 99.62% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see as well. Now, if you go over to their webpage, there's a link to DEX tools, buy now button, their socials. So it says, at Popdog CTO, we are on a mission to revolutionize the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Our token, inspired by the dynamic and playful spirit of dogs, embodies a unique blend of fun and functionality, creating a vibrant and engaged community. We believe in the power of decentralized finance to create a more inclusive and equitable financial system. Popdog CTO is designed to empower individuals by providing them with a user-friendly and innovative digital asset that offers real value and utility. Now, it does say in their tokenomics on the webpage, 0% taxes, so you will not have to worry about slippage or anything like that when buying or selling this token. Now, their roadmap here starts with Phase 1, launch on Sol, community growth, website release, Phase 2, Telegram and Twitter marketing, custom memes, Phase 3, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, further social media marketing and Medium release. So they're going to have some Medium articles you'll be able to review soon. So it says, at Popdog CTO, our community is at the heartbeat of our project, and we believe in the power of collective effort and the strength of a united community. And then it has links to their socials, all that type of stuff here. So let's see, on DEX Screener, usually they have a community take. It doesn't say anything about a community takeover claim. Sometimes they have that on DEX Screener. It does say marketing boost though, so they have been doing a good job advertising their token on DEX Screener, doing marketing on there. So it says they have 673.42 pooled SOL in Raydium. So there's a decent liquidity pool there. Now, yeah, still trending #1. This token's very popular today. Make sure you check out the other trending tokens that I'm uploading videos on today. There's a bunch of, appealing ones. I'm not saying they're good because who knows what's going to happen to any of these tokens. But this token has over 4,600 holders so far. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.